In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add sound or music into your presentation on PowerPoint. So what you need to do is open up PowerPoint and you're going to be in the home setting right here. You do not want to be in the home setting. What you want to be is click on where it says insert, and once you're in insert, you want to scroll all the way to the right to where you have media, and you'll have video, audio, and screen recording. The one you want is click on where it says audio. You want to click on audio. Then it says audio on my PC or record audio. That means that you can record audio on your PowerPoint presentation through a microphone. So the one you want is click on audio on my PC, and you want to search for wherever you have your audio. Mine is in the desktop, so I'm going to be clicking desktop. I'm going to be searching for the audio on my desktop. Once you found the audio, you want to click on it, then click where it says insert. And now you're going to be having the speaker option right here in front of the presentation. What you want to do is drag it all the way to the left hand side corner on the top. And you see, now you have all these settings right here. I'm going to be telling you what some of these settings are. You have right here start in click sequence. That means that you have to start your audio when you start your presentation. But if you do not want it to start when you start the presentation on click, then what you need to do is click right here, and you want to click it where it says automatically. That means that when you start your presentation, that your audio is going to be playing automatically. Now you'll have where it says play across slide. That means that when you play your slide and change the slide, the audio is not going to be stopping every time, so you have to start it one by one again. Click this, then loop until stop. That means that your audio is going to be looping until you stop your presentation, or when your audio ends, your audio is going to be starting again. Click loop. Then you have right here, you have hide during show. That means that your audio right here, this audio icon, is going to be hiding in the presentation when your audio is playing. So click this. Then you have rewind after playing. That means rewind the audio or video clip after it's done playing. That means that it's going to be looping again on the presentation for the audio. Click this. Now you have right here, it says play in the background. It says the selected clip to continuously play across the slides in the background. Click this, and then it's going to be playing in the background. Now what I'm going to be showing you is the audio and how the audio works on the slideshow in presentation mode. I'm going to be playing the audio in presentation mode. Now you should hear the audio playing automatically by itself. I'm going to be changing the slides, and the audio should not stop. Now you saw the audio ended. That's because it reached the end of the slideshow. Now what you want to do, you can exit it by clicking right here. You can exit the slideshow by clicking end show, and then it's going to be ending the slideshow. That's it for this video, guys, on how you can add audio or music into your PowerPoint on a PowerPoint presentation. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.